What's up, everybody? Good evening, good afternoon, or good morning, depending on where you're watching this video. It looks like Wall Street's finally realizing what anyone with a brain and no open AI stock already knew. We're officially in an AI bubble, and not just any bubble. This one's got ChatGPT subscription, a $5 trillion valuation, and, well, a motivational podcast. After months of record highs, trillion-dollar chips, and CEOs saying AI like it's the new amen. Even Jamie Dimon just said it out loud. When asset prices are elevated, well, you have further just to fall. Now, the translation is we built another house of cards, but this time the cards are made out of semiconductors. Investors are going all in right now. Cash levels are at record lows, FOMO at record highs, and big tech's throwing billions at data centers like frat boys buying bottle service at the club. This isn't innovation anymore. It's monetized delusion. You know, you're in bubble territory when Google drops $15 billion in India, AMD cuts deals with Oracle, and Walmart's using ChatGPT to sell you stocks. Or socks in this case. This isn't the future. It's an arms race to see who can burn the most money first. OpenAI is reportedly spending $1.5 trillion on AI infrastructure while making about $13 billion in revenue. That's not scaling. That's a PowerPoint problem, folks. And every analyst says AI will change everything. Sure, it's already changed how gullible investors are. And you know what's hilarious? Everyone knows it's a bubble. They just don't care. Because, well, in 2025, you don't invest in earnings, you invest in vibes. The bull case for AI is basically, it's magic, bro. Just trust me. It's all going to work out. This is all going to be fine. Now, Michael O'Rourke from Jones Trading nailed it. OpenAI is spending trillions and isn't profitable. We've seen this movie before, the dot-com bubble. But this time we've added GPUs and called it intelligence. And the cherry on top of all this, Wall Street's risk appetite index just hit the highest level in a year. Institutional investors have gone full YOLO mode. We're back to GameStop. Expect another movie about some kid making $1 billion or something like that. Now, cash levels are below 4%. That's below the sell threshold, meaning the only liquidity left in the market is, well, sweat equity at this point. We're in the part of the cycle where everyone thinks they're currently a genius until the next earning calls turns into a therapy session and they wonder where it all went wrong. Now, let's go ahead and talk about the high priests of AI. NVIDIA, Microsoft, AMD, Broadcom, the Mag 7, who've become the, well, Messiah 7. NVIDIA is worth more than the entire country's, it is more than some country's worth in value at this point, which is just insane. Microsoft is currently just printing money like it's fiscal fan fiction at this point. But the problem, every one of them has to grow double digits every quarter forever. Not just like this year, not in the next 2 years, but forever to justify any of this. Wall Street's pricing in perfection. Literally, as one analyst put it, it's not a bubble, it's pricing for perfection. That's the polite way of saying we know it's crazy, but don't make us all sell yet. Investors aren't trading fundamentals anymore. They're trading based on faith and galaxy gas and hopium. And here's the thing about faith. It works until reality checks the PE ratio. So what exactly is going to happen when this bubble pops? You're probably wondering. You're like, why do I care? Well, 3 things. 1, stocks will stall. AI is holding up the S&P 500 right now. Take that and take away the Magnificent 7, and the market's basically flat. Look, number 2 thing that's going to happen. Liquidity dries up. When cash positions are already at record lows, there's nothing left to cushion those falls. And 3, retail gets wrecked. Like, you guys are exit liquidity at this point. The average investor buying AI ETFs today is walking into the same wood chipper crypto bros did in 2021. But here's the twist here. The bubble won't crash like 2000. it'll slowly deflate, like when you see those bounce houses come down after a kid's birthday party. Because corporate America is, well, addicted to AI spending. And as we mentioned earlier, this isn't an innovation race. This is a race to see who can spend the most cash the fastest. Every earnings call now starts with, we're leveraging AI. Translation, we fired 200 people and bought ChatGPT Pro and some GPUs to replace them. Now, this AI mania isn't happening in a vacuum. It's happening while, one, the Fed's cutting rates to keep markets alive currently. Two, the government is currently shut down. And three, tariffs are suffocating supply chains. The AI boom is basically America's distraction from, well, our economic and governmental political dysfunction, right? So we can't fix healthcare. We can't balance a budget to save our lives, but we can make a bot that writes cover letters in iambic pentameter. So AI isn't saving the economy. It's just masking the cracks currently of the deeper issues that we're having as a country and as a market currently. If markets are a movie, AI is the CGI, basically. It looks incredible until you realize the set's slowly crumbling around it. So yeah, we're in an AI bubble, but it's the most entertaining one yet, luckily. Tech bros are building virtual gods, Wall Street's worshipping them, and the rest of us are just trying not to get margin called. Jamie Dimon's warning us, fund managers know it, even the data's screaming it, but investors will keep dancing until the servers melt away. Because in 2025, the only thing stronger than gravity is FOMO. The markets are not driven by logic anymore. Throw your TA out the window. It's driven by hope, hallucinations, and high-frequency copium. So go ahead, strap on and strap in, because when the AI bubble pops, ChatGPT won't save your portfolio here. It'll just write you a beautiful obituary. And yeah, that's it. Anyways, I'm Max Pitts. This is Trades and Gains with Investor Central Club. And I hope you all are having a great evening. We will be back on stream tonight and tomorrow to do a nice government breakdown tonight, and then our normal options flow show tomorrow. We also are still running, and we have new members joining every day over at Investor Central Club. So make sure you head over to investorcentralclub.com and sign up today to get real-time options insight so you can see, well, why maybe the market crash is coming, because we saw $100 million get dumped into gold today. Anyways, have a great night, great evening, great week, and I will see you guys in the next one.